severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. for western White, southeastern Jefferson, northeastern Franklin, and Hamilton counties. At 2:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near McLeansboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The storm destroyed a barn near Benton. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McLeansboro, Nora City, Enfield, Ina, Dahlgren, Ewing, Mill Shoals, Spring Jordan, Macedonia, Belle Prairie City, and Bird Prairie. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, and White.